Hello guys, good afternoon.
I put the bag here.
Yeah, do you want to carry the bag?
No.
Okay, Mama will carry. Come on, let's go to the
Mommy,
park.
put the away the bag.
Okay, you want to get it?
No. My put the
It's your bubbles. It's your bubbles.
My put the Meko.
What would you like to
My
do?
pretty Puma.
Hi guys, happy Friday.
Santa.
Just put it back, nak. That's rubbish, man. Ayan, alas 3 na pala siya ng hapon and it's very dark outside, very makulimlim. Ngayon lang ako magla-lunch break and isasama ko si Paris sa park. Diyan o sa harap ng bahay. Snake! Kasi kanina, si Mike tsaka si Paris nag-lunch break sila. Mga 12 o'clock yata. Tapos kasi sobrang busy sa work. What's that, nak? Green snake. Come on na. Sobrang busy sa work so hindi ako nakasama sa kanila. Ngayon sabi ko kay Mike, kayo na lang yung umalis kasi sobrang busy ko. Tapos pagbalik nila, dadalhin ko si Paris sa park. Pero kanina pag kauwi nila, Paris was very sleepy kasi it's time for her nap. Kaya pinadidi ko tapos nakatulog. Ngayon pagkagising niya, ang haba ng story. Pagkagising niya, ayan, sabi ko, punta tayo ng park para makapaglaro siya. Kasi walang childcare today. Ayan, oh. Enjoy na enjoy yan siya pag nakakapaglaro. And meron tayong H&M na bag dito. Pero ang laman nito ay bubbles. Yung mga bubbles ni Paris kasi maglalaro daw siya. Park na? Dito, dali ka. Daddy? Daddy is working. Ah, Daddy pass the ball. Ayan, pass the ball kasi may nakita siyang basketball ring. Huh? Bike. The kid. She's riding a bike. Let's go to the park now. Here. Oh, you wanna run? Okay. Okay. I just run the bike. Apas teka de ay. Taka. She's very fast. Oh, what happened to your hair clip? Be, Mama will fix it. Mama will fix.
See?
Dito lang kami sa OVA. Ayan, kasi maglalaro si Madam ng kanyang mga bubbles. Be. Ayan, mga bubbles niya. Oh, ang dami niyang bubbles. Mga maliliit. This one. Hindi maganda yung lighting. Sorry ha. Kasi very, tingnan nyo. Kita nyo yung mga, clouds. Ayan. Pero very dark. Wala kasi yung araw.
Okay.
What do you say to Mommy? What do you say? Paris Dico, what do you say?
Please.
Please. What's the color of this one?
Yellow.
Yellow.
That's fine.
Hmm? No, this is yellow. This is not orange. Huh?
My pretty glasses.
Put the grasses. Where?
My pretty.
It's okay. Okay, come on. Blow. Mama will catch the bubbles. Come on. Blow, 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 blow. Sige na. What? Blow na. Wow. Good job.
Try more.
Blow more. Agoy, wala man. Tarong anak, kinahina pagkuan ba?
Try more bubbles.
Try more bubbles. Hinaya pag kuan. There you go. Well done, princess.
There's more bubbles.
There's more bubbles.
Wait, Tiger.
Where? More bubbles. Wow.
One, two,
3. Good job. That's good counting, Baba.
Try more bubbles.
Okay, blow. Uy, it's stuck. What is it? What happened? There you go. Wow! Bubbles! Ngayon, si Paris ay nandito with me. Naglalaro ng kanyang bubbles. Tapos, si Mike naman ay nagwo-work pa rin.
Bubbles!
More bubbles, yes! Lots of bubbles. So, ayan. Tapos na siya sa kanyang bubbles. Dito na naman siya sa park. Mag-slide. Hi! Woo! Good job! Ayan siya. Oh, very energetic. Ayo. Where are you going? Big one? Be careful, ha? Dito daw siya sa malaki, oh. Black ants? Baba? Yeah, that's your bag. It's okay. Just put it there for now. Slide, big girl, slide. Woo! Good job. Hi, can I please buy ice?
I like ice.
Do you have a green one?
No, wait.
Red one only? Okay. How much? How much? Coins only? Okay. Coins only. There you go. Thank you.
Eat.
Eat now? Okay. Nom, 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 nom. Thank you. Nakauwi na ako dito sa bahay kasi mag-aalas 4 na siya and I needed to go back to work. So ayan, nandito na ako sa aking upuan, aking mahiwagang upuan, ang sahig. Ayan, kasi nandito yung mga computer and screens ko sa harapan ko. But si Paris pala guys, iniwan ko na dun sa park. Pero hindi siya nag-iisa dun guys. Hindi ko siya iniwan na mag-isa. So, kasi kailangan ko nang bumalik sa work. Tinawagan ko si Mike. So sabi ko sa kanya, are you done with your work? Kasi si Paris, nakahanap siya ng kalaro doon. Tapos ayaw ni Paris na umuwi pa. Nakakaawa naman kung parang bitbitin ko na lang siya agad-agad, diba? So tinawagan ko si Mike. Sabi ko, are you finished? Makakapunta ka ba dito as proxy sa akin? Kasi kailangan ko nang bumalik sa trabaho. And Paris is still enjoying the park. So ayun guys, kaya nga ang bait-bait ni Mike. Sabi niya, okay, I'm finishing now. Mag-gym sana ako. Pero, yun nga, pwede bang mag-gym na lang ako mamaya? Sabi ko, yeah, that's fine. It's okay, mag-gym ka na lang mamaya after na maglaro ni Paris. That's what I admire the most about Mike. Kasi, very considerate siya. He always makes sure na napro-provide niya yung mga needs ni Paris, yung mga needs ko. Not only, yung material-wise. Yun bang, katulad nito, yun nga, sabi ko, kailangan ko nang magtrabaho. Si Paris, yun, nag-i-enjoy pa rin sa park. So, instead na matapos siya ng work, diba? Instead na kung anong gawin niya. Kasi alam kong gustong-gusto niya talagang mag-gym. Pero sabi niya, it's okay. Is it okay if I'll just do it later? Sabi niya, that's fine. Yeah, you can do the gym later. Meron palang subscribers natin na nagtanong kung kailan ko daw nasabi sa sarili ko na Mike is the one. Gusto ko lang mag-share, guys, no? For me, kasi ang daming nangyari na naging dahilan kung bakit napaisip ako na Mike is the one. Firstly, is yung nung pagkakilala namin online, yung pag-chat-chat namin. The way kasi na magsalita si Mike, he's very, very sweet. Like, super sweet talaga. To the point na nasabi ko sa sarili ko na, totoo ba to siya? Kasi, very, ang tawag dito, very sweet lang talaga kung magkipag-usap sa'yo. I-insert ko yung mga text messages namin before. Kasi very sentimental kasi ako na tao. I keep all the, yung mga screenshots ng mga text messages namin before, guys. So, even though magbago man kami ng phone and everything, nakasave pa rin yung mga messages namin before. May mga araw na binabasa ko yung mga messages ni Mike before, yung mga messages namin to each other before. And nandun pa rin yung kilig. Like, I still feel the gilok-gilok. Hindi, I still feel the kilig talaga, guys. So, yeah, that's one of the reason na nasabi ko sa sarili ko nga Mike is the one. Another one was, before kasi kami nagkakilala ni Mike, guys, meron na kaming mga nakabook na travels overseas. So, nakabook na yung travel niya overseas for 1 month. Kasi binook niya yun before naging kami. So, sabi ko, it's okay, you can go, that's fine. Then, naging LDR kami. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, ang hirap naman siguro nito. Oy, mag-LDR tayo ng 1 month kasi mag-holiday siya overseas ng 1 month. Obviously, every night yung tawagan namin sa isa't isa, diba? Tapos, everyday yung messaging and everything. Tapos, sa phone, like, seriously, during the night, maybe like 3 hours na usapan every night. And alam nyo guys yung ginawa niya. Instead of magstay siya doon ng 1 month, so nabook niya na lahat yung mga accommodation and transportation and everything, right? Yung ginawa ni Mike, hindi niya natiis, umuwi siya after 17 days. Nung ginawa niya yun, nasabi ko sa sarili ko na, ay, mahal talaga ako ng taong ito. Kasi kung hindi ako special para sa kanya, guys, hindi niya ika-cut short yung kanyang travel overseas, diba? As mentioned, dapat sana 1 month siya doon. But after just over 2 weeks, guys, naisipan na niyang umuwi sa akin. Kasi hindi na daw niya kaya. O, diba? Bongga. Kaya doon, that moment, nasabi ko sa sarili ko na, I found the one.
Oh my God!
At meron pa palang nakadagdag. So, one thing, ito din yung pinakamalaking factor na naging dahilan bakit nasabi ko sa sarili ko na si Mike na talaga yung the one. Then, it was my turn to go overseas. Yeah, that was December. Umuwi ako para, obviously, spend yung time ko with the family for Christmas. And nandun ako sa Pilipinas, sabi niya sa akin na pwede ba daw siyang sumunod. Tapos si ate niyo naman is very shocking kasi sabi ko, bakit siya susunod sa akin sa Pilipinas? Pero sabi ko sa kanya, yeah, of course you can. Kasi alangan naman sabihin ko sa kanya na huwag kang pumunta dito sa Pilipinas. Bakit ako bang may-ari ng Pilipinas? Bakit hindi ko siya pupuntahin, di ba? So sabi ko, yeah, of course you can come. Why not? Tapos sabi niya sa akin, gusto daw niya makilala yung family ko. So doon na rin yun, guys. Kasi pag ang isang lalaki gusto nang ma-meet yung family mo, that is something very special. And then, hinintay niya guys na mag 1 week muna ako doon sa Pilipinas kasi gusto niyang ma-enjoy ko muna yung time ko with the family and also yung family ko ma-enjoy nila yung parang one-on-one with me. Kasi pag nandun na siya, obviously, o dalawa na kami, mahahati na yung attention ko, diba? Sabi niya, I'll follow you after 1 week. So sabi ko, yeah, okay. Hindi ko alam talaga na tutuhanin niya guys, na-follow talaga siya sa akin. So yun, nag-book na pala ang buang ng ticket and a week after, nakasunod na siya akin.
Payaso na ako. Payaso mo kayo. Pagka nabulong na karoon.
So pagkadating niya ng Pilipinas, obviously sa bahay namin siya nagstay, nakilala siya ng pamilya ko, nakilala niya yung pamilya ko, and yeah, dun siya nag-Christmas tsaka nag-New Year sa amin. So I thought that was really super sweet. And then that moment, yun na nga, parang na-prove ko na talaga sa sarili ko guys na Mike is the one. Si Mike na talaga yung para sa akin. So then after holiday namin sa Pilipinas, then magkasama na kaming bumiyahe pabalik dito sa Australia. So, ayan, yung ginawa ng ate nyo is nagtupi na naman. And we've got Paris here, guys. Oh. Nak, say hi sa mga tita, nak, be. What do you wanna do? Play bubble.
Green,
What's the color of this one?
yellow,
This one, ba? What's the color of this one?
Green.
Green. This one?
It's pink.
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 What's the color of this one?
Pink.
This one ba? Uy. This one.
Ouch.
This one orange. That's right. Tinamad na ako guys. Uy, ayaw kong magluto ba ng dinner.
Car.
Kaya nag-order na lang ako online. Ayaw niya mag-order kasama sa akin. So ako na lang yung nag-order guys ng ng bunbue sa parang spicy siya na soup ba? Vietnamese soup. Yes, my love. Ayo. Kasi I can't be bothered guys. Like it's been a really long week for me. Very, very busy talaga guys since Monday. Itong bata.
Apple.
Apen?
Apple, Mom.
What do you say?
Please.
Please. Asa naman ito yung mga open anak?
Yellow.
Katong open na daan ba? Ha?
Yellow.
Katong open na daan. Kani open naman siguro. Ay, this one oh. That one's already open. Use that one.
Huh?
Mm.
Green.
So, ito na. Dumating na ang aming order. So, yun yung in-order ko guys. So, bonbue and then prawn crackers. Yan. Kasi si Mike gusto niya magluto nung sa kanya. Ito na looks like this guys. So, ayan yung luto tsaka yung meat. And then, ito yung sabaw niya. What happened? What's wrong? Oh, no. Careful lagi. And then, meron silang mga ganito guys. Oh, hindi ko naman to kinakain yun. Kinukuha ko lang dito is yung lemon. Pero itong mga ganito, sagbot, hindi ko kinakain yan. Anyways, kain muna tayo. Come here. Take your socks off. Ano?
Okay. My face is out.
Yeah, sock off. So, we're gonna go bathroom.
It's the sweet.
We'll brush our teeth. Ooh, you can.
It's the sweet.
Paris foot. We'll brush our teeth with...
It's yellow.
Oh, it's yellow. That's right. Yeah, we have to brush our teeth because it's yellow.
It's the toothpaste.
Toothpaste too. Okay. Brush your toothpaste. And your toothbrush. Where?
Okay, toothpaste.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No, that's mommy and daddy's toothpaste. Get yours. The little one.
Yeah. Mommy.
Katong gamay. Amin na, Bi. Kaya labay na ni Mama, Bi. Piapot na rin the bin. Uy, apot na rin. There you go. More. You only need one nut.
Toothpaste.
Yeah, that's Mama's toothpaste. Put it back. Where's your toothbrush na? Sige na, kaya rin wash your face. Yeah, that's the one. What's the color of that toothbrush?
Blue one.
Blue one? It's not blue, honey.
It's green.
That's right. It's green now. Close na. Close the door na.
Now, this.
Okay, you can use that one too. Close the door. Have a look out. Do it properly. Good job. Now what, honey?
It's blue. It's blue.
It's blue.
No,
It's blue
it's green.
and green. Okay, brush your teeth na.
That's blue.
Come on. Show Tito and Tita how to brush teeth. Asan mo brush? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Wash the hands. This is the way I wash my hands. Wash my hands. Wash my hands. There you go. No more germs. No more germs. It's clean. Show your clean hands. Show.
Give me this one.
That's right. You use that one. Here you go. Brush.
No, give me this one.
Okay, one more, okay?
Okay.
Just one, and then that's it. Finish. Wash your face.
No, me this one. Not me.
Okay, and the other one, the other hand. There you go. Show them how you wash your face.
Put it back.
Put it back. Wash your face. Show them how to wash your face. Come on. Say, this is how you wash your face. Face. Face, ma.
Papa's head.
Oh, hands only. Okay. No face? Face, ano? Sige na. Good girl. This is the way. Have a look at you. This is the way I brush my teeth. What happened to Daddy? What did you do?
Gosh, mommy, boo-boo, daddy.
Boo boo.
Gosh,
Is Daddy okay?
go sit on the bed.
Go sleep in. Okay. I'm not making noise. Is Daddy sleeping? Is Daddy okay? Is Daddy okay? Call Daddy. Ask Daddy if he's okay.
No, go sit on the bed. Mama, mommy hurt.
Is Daddy hurt? Itulod na basan to. Bisag usawa na ni mo tulod ang ilong sa mga mahanak. Di gina mo flat.
Daddy kiss the monster.
No,
No. What sound do you make?
No. Ow!
No.
hi, daddy.
No, say sorry, Daddy.
No, good, go sit. I'm on the bed.
Hala, Daddy is crying. Hala, you hurt Daddy.
It's fine.
Say sorry ba?
Daddy, go sit.
Go sit.
I'm the boo-boo.
Sing for Daddy, nak. Karon makatulog si Daddy.
Hi, daddy.
Yeah. Sing ba? Sing para makatulog si Daddy. Sing na so Daddy can go to sleep. Humpty Dumpty sat on the... Oh.
Ow!
Hi guys, again, time check. It's currently 10:45 ng gabi. And yun na, ang ating baby girl ay nakatulog na. It's getting late now and I gotta get ready for bed. As usual guys, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga bagong subscribers. Welcome sa ating channel. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung mga vlogs natin. And I will just do a quick shout out. Shout out to Rosario Saballe with her mga apus. Johan and Jero. Shout out to Ginia Dular, Marilyn Drudge, Glyza Santos, Laarni TV, Janet Gordon, Rosemary Romuar, April Rose Romero, Mcnol Castaneda, Marlene Colgibo. Thank you so much talaga sa mga positive comments mo. Seriously, yung mga comments na ganito yung nakakapag-motivate sa akin na mag-vlog pa more. Kasi nakakadagdag lang ng lakas ng loob. So ito yung comment niya guys. Sabi niya, hello sa'yo, bago lang ako sa channel mo. Gustong gusto kita panuurin kasi galing magsalita. At lalo na sa asawa mo na mabait at ang ganda ng baby mo. So thank you very much talaga sis. And shout out to our friend Desa Donghil, Donna Ladera, Amy and Anthony, Maribel Patiag, Mel's Video, Simply Norge, our friend Jess Shield. Hello guys, say hi to Jake. Shout out to Jean Rosales, Cactus PH, Gretchen Humeres, Marilee Ramos, Cleo Marie Barrios. Welcome sa inyo. Apple Balarisha, Phil Aussie Down Under, Colleen Makabutas, Maria Sabihon, The Rulings Afam, Vicky Torres, Selena Roda, Bems in Netherlands, Joy Pangan, and Loles family. So that's about it for today's video guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!